Alright, problem number 2. We are given the vertex and we know another point and we want to figure out what the equation of this parabola is. So to do so, we're going to use vertex form. Y equals a times x minus h quantity squared plus k. Alright, so what do we know? We know the vertex is -2, -1, which means we know our h and k. And we know another point is 0, 3, so we know our x and our y. And we are going to substitute into this equation. So y is 3. We do not know a, that's what we're solving for. X is 0 minus h is -2. So 0 minus -2 is 0 plus 2. Square that and add our k value, which is a -1. Gross. And now simplify. So, add 1 to both sides, we get 4 equals a times 0 plus 2 is 2, squared is 4. So, look at that, divide by 4 on both sides, and we get that a is actually just 1. So now we need to write our equation, y equals, parentheses, x plus 2 squared minus 1. Plugging in what we know. So there is the equation. We've written it. We want to find its x-intercepts. We want to find the y-intercept. We want to sketch its graph. So why don't we expand this? Y equals x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 1. So y equals x squared plus 4x plus 3. So now I know my y-int is at 0, 3, which is nice because of that right there. And now let's factor this. Y equals, we're looking for two numbers that multiply to 3 and add to 4. Well, that's got to be 3 and 1. X plus 3, x plus 1. So I know my x-intercepts will occur when x equals -3 and when x equals -1. Let's piece all this together to sketch this graph. Vertex, we did not say, but looking at the equation, x plus 2 is telling me that it is left 2. That minus 1 at the bottom is telling me that it is down 1. So there's my vertex. X-intercepts at -3 and +1, so right there. And my y-intercept is up at +3. So 1, 2, 3, right there. And again, we get another free point, so we might as well show it. And that's kind of poorly drawn. Let's make this a little better. Whoa, that looks decent. No. Actually, it looks poopy, but all the things are in the right spots. So, we're going to call it good.